Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. So right now, if we take a look at the market in the past 24 hours, we've been pretty much trading flat. We're only up about 0.1%. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours is still the same coin as yesterday. It's going to be XYO right here. It is up about 55.48%, and it is trading at currently 4 cents per coin. Our highest volume is going to be Bitcoin, pretty much same volume as the day before, 35.6 billion. We have Ethereum at 14.7 billion. Bitcoin's been trading flat. It hasn't really changed at all here over the weekend. Ethereum down about 1%, 1.5%, but that means, yesterday we were up about 1%. So it just kind of took away those gains from yesterday. Trading sideways here. Binance is pretty much flat. Ripple, which we talked about in yesterday's video, if you missed that out, it is up about 5.82% here in the past 24 hours. Solana down about 3%. Polkadot's up 3%. All these other coins are either down 1% or 2 or up 1% or 2, and we have some obviously outliers that are in the green, but everything's kind of trading sideways here over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We have not seen a big boom over the weekend as we've seen in the past. So that is definitely a different change of a pattern. It doesn't happen every week, but usually the weekend gains a lot more volume and a lot more momentum. But this weekend is a little bit different, and that's obviously something that can happen too. It's not going to be the same pattern every single week, and that's something that we have to catch on to. So guys, if you're enjoying this type of content and you want to see more, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Iota. So MIOTA is going to be the ticker symbol right here for it. So this one currently is up about 11.5%, trading at $1.51. Just 24 hours ago we were at 136 or so. In the past week we're up about 18%. In the past month we're actually down 3%, hitting lows here at end of September at $1.02. So it went from $1.02 to $1.51 here in the past week or so, making about almost a 50% gain. In the past year, we're up about 444% from lows of 29 cents all the way to highs here in April at around 268, hitting lows again in July at under 60 cents at one point, and then making a comeback once again. So this coin is kind of still consolidating here and making a move on up. This one is at a market cap of 4.2 billion. Current volume is 100% higher than usual at 210 million right there. All-time high at 569 like we said. Now here to see some things about Iota. So Iota is designed to facilitate microtransactions between devices on the Internet of Things. Iota uses a unique consensus algorithm that requires users to validate 2 transactions in order to make a transaction of their own. So this coin has definitely gained some traction in recent times and is one of the more popular coins out there to be watching. Market cap still being on the lower side at around 4.2 billion, so there's plenty of upside potential. I mean, just imagine if this was trading at prices that Uniswap was or some of these other coins around that 30 to 40 billion market cap. That would give us about a 10x opportunity for the future, and that's definitely something that we want to keep in mind and look at to see how that's going to work out in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Anything is possible, and that's something that we want to watch obviously and be the first ones in on if that was to happen. So Iota here is going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Polkadot DOT. This one right here is a little bit higher market cap. It is currently at 35.8 billion market cap. In the past 24 hours, we're up about 3.82%, trading at $36.33. In the past week, we're up about 13%, making highs from lows of down to $29. In the past month, we're up about 21%, and then on the 1-year chart, 754%. So last year in October, we were trading at $4, hit highs here in May at $49.69. Hitting back lows in July of around $11 or so, almost under $10 at one point. And then obviously in September, we made about a 200% move on the upside. And now it seems like we made this pullback here at the end of September. And now we're trying to make new highs here and break through this previous area that we saw in September and break through that $40 resistance. If we can break through the $40 resistance, we're possibly going to go all the way to all-time highs next up. So that's going to be something we're going to be watching very closely in the next few weeks. 35.8 billion market cap, like we said. Volume is about 67% higher than usual at 2.3 billion. Typical hold time on this coin is 31 days. It is now ranked the number 6 coin, which is insane. I would have never thought that Polkadot would be up here. 61% buy, 39% sell. All-time high, like we said, right under that $50 area. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains. Now, how does all this work? Well, Polkadot uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, to secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. There are several ways that DOT holders can interact with the staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, they may be able to receive DOT rewards for that, which is another, obviously positive thing from staking. A lot of people get into staking so they can get more coins and, make some passive income on the side. Right here, something to keep in mind: the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many, parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chains. So as a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. That is a huge amount. That is over 100 times more than a Bitcoin, and over 30 times more than Ethereum right there. As the network grows and more parachains are needed or added, Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could eventually hit 1 million transactions per second, which would just be insane. And I think that's definitely something that's keeping Polkadot up here on the highs, and could potentially make Polkadot one of these bigger coins for the future that continues to go higher and higher and climb these ranks. Right now it's ranked the number 6 coin. This could definitely go in the top 5 or even higher, depending on how things work out in the future. But Polkadot is definitely not a coin to be scared of. It's definitely a coin to be watching and seeing how it's going to perform in the future. It has a bright future, in my opinion, for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years in the future, and one that I'm going to be watching very, very closely. So Polkadot number 2, and last but not least, the number 3 spot is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. This one is down about 4% here in the past 24 hours, making a little bit of a pullback, trading at $34.52. In the past week, we're down about 10%. In the past month, we're up 28%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 522%, making some great moves from $6 last October, hitting highs here in May at around $30, pulled back down to lows of under $9 at one point in June. And then we skyrocketed on up to $40. So about a 300% upside here from the low in July to the high here in September. So 300%. If you would have invested $1,000 into Cosmos, you would have been up about $3,000 profit just on holding it right there in about a month and a half or so. Market cap currently is at 7.6 billion, volume 426 million. Typical hold time is 35 days, 60% buy, 40% sell. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom coins, as a reward. Now, the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. Now, all of these independent blockchains are interconnected by the Internet Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. The Cosmos Consensus Engine, IBC protocol, and software developer kit are designed to enable ease of use and interoperability between chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from other leading blockchain platforms. So Cosmos is definitely one of those coins to not be letting it go. I guess it's going to continue to go higher, so don't want to miss out on coins like this, especially with a market cap at 7.6 billion. It's still kind of on the lower side. It's under 10 billion market cap, so it has plenty of potential in the future to continue to move on higher, and that's definitely another thing that we're going to be watching very, very closely, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins that we're going to be potentially watching here in the month of October. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. Obviously, we already mentioned Solana down about 3%, trading around this 150 area that has been around for a while. Doge down about 1.8% here, trading at 24 cents or so. It's actually kind of funny. It continued to follow Shiba's pattern, and then as Shiba continued to go down, now it's trading sideways. So 32.1 billion market cap. You guys can see it hit highs of 27 cents, pulled back down about this 24 to 25 cents area after that, and continued to follow the same pattern as Shiba. Bitcoin Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours is flat, like we said. Hit highs actually at one point last night at 56,000, and then it pulled back down. In the past week, we're up 16%, which is beautiful. In the past month, 19%, and then obviously on the 1 year chart, 389%. We're over a 1 trillion market cap right now. Volume 35.7 billion, which is about 10% higher than usual. 58% buy activity, 42 sell activity, and 84 typical hold time days. Ethereum, pretty much same pattern, down about 1.5% from highs here of over 3,600, hitting lows down here of 34.83. In the past week, we're up 5%, so Bitcoin's a little bit outperforming there. In the past month, we're up 3.9%, and then on the 1 year chart, 860%. So obviously, we're looking forward to that 4,000 area of resistance in the future to see if we can break through 418.3 billion market cap, which is about 13% of the crypto marketplace right now. 82-day typical hold time, 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity on Ethereum. We believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to soar in the month of October, November, and possibly even December, and continue to go higher with another bullish type market to end 2021. That's what we're looking forward to, but anything can happen, and things can switch up very, very quickly. So we have to be very careful when we're trading these coins, especially these altcoins, because they usually follow the same pattern as these large cap coins. So the mid cap and the low cap coins follow that same pattern after. So definitely something to watch, guys. If you're enjoying this type of content, you want to see more of it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying in the month of October. I'm not a financial advisor, so speak to your financial advisors before investing into any crypto space or stock market. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.